I'm attorney Mark Nicholson from the law office of Mark Nicholson, and I'm going to talk today about a 5-star barbecue visit that I had in Newcastle. It was back on October the 2nd, a visit to a place called That's My Dog in Newcastle, Indiana. Now, it was after I was wrapping up a court appearance in Henry County. I wanted something that was local. That's how I ended up at That's My Dog. It's an African-American owned barbecue restaurant tucked away in Newcastle. It's not far from the old library. What started as a simple post-court meal turned into one of the best barbecue experiences I've had in town. This is a local gem with heart. If you remember the building from years past, you might recall it under a different name. Today, it's proudly That's My Dog, and it's clear from the moment you walk in that this place is built on passion, pride, and good food. The atmosphere was welcoming and the service felt genuine. It was not rushed, it was not scripted. The plate I had was brisket. I ordered a brisket plate with french fries, baked beans, collard greens, and cornbread. A full barbecue spread. The cornbread was sweet, moist, and exactly what Southern style cornbread should be. Collard greens, they were well seasoned, flavorful, with bits of meat mixed in that gave them depth and richness. The baked beans, these deserve special mention. They had a subtle kick I couldn't quite place at first. Later I learned it was smoked paprika, a special ingredient that added just the right amount of heat and smokiness without overpowering the dish. Now the brisket, there was a moment when it looked like they might be out. That's what the waitress said at first, that they're out. But somehow they threw together a fresh batch, brought it to my plate. Now the edges honestly were a bit firmer than I prefer, but the brisket itself had a solid chew, great flavor, and was plated beautifully. Now, unexpected bonus was this barbecue mac and cheese. I was getting ready to leave. The owner asked if I liked mac and cheese. I said yes. And the next thing I knew, he was preparing a mac and cheese topped with pulled pork for me to sample. At first bite, I thought it needed a little pepper. He smiled, shook his head, and added his homemade barbecue sauce instead. He said, not pepper, barbecue sauce. I tasted it. That did it. The sauce transformed this dish completely. Rich, smoky, slightly sweet. It pulled everything together, that barbecue sauce did. I don't know what the official name will be, but I'm calling it barbecue mac and cheese. He told me that it'd be hitting the menu soon, so since this was in October, it's probably already there. When it hits the menu, if it's not already there yet, I suggest you try that out. My final verdict, I give this 5 stars without hesitation. It was fantastic, friendly service, flavorful, well prepared, barbecue, creative dishes that actually work. It is a true local spot worth supporting. If you're in Newcastle, Indiana, whether you're coming from court, work, or just passing through, That's My Dog is absolutely worth the stop. It's hands down the best barbecue I've had in Newcastle, and I will be back. And that's your Nicholson Nugget of the day. Please be sure to like and subscribe.